Students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss Unit 4 Worksheet 9 word problems which are at page number 65 of our book. Let's discuss the first word problem. Geeta has 8 marbles. A girl named Geeta, she has 8 marbles and she gave 1/4 of them to her younger brother. How many marbles did her brother get? Okay, is the question clear? That Geeta has 8 marbles. So total number of marbles here are 8. She gave 1/4 of them to her younger brother. So given to brother are 1/4 of them means 1/4 of the total marbles 8. Then how many marbles did her brother get? Here to solve this 1/4 of 8 of something means multiply 8, and we know the multiplication of fraction with a whole number. There is nothing under 8, so write 4, write 1, then try to cancel 4 1s are 4 2s are. Then numerator 1 will be multiplied by 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. If there is 1 under something, we can leave that 1. So the answer will be 2. The question was related to marbles. So at the end we will write 2 marbles. This is our answer. Okay. Let's move to its B part. What is it? 1 plum cake weighs 3/4 kilogram. If the weight of the one cake is 3/4 kilogram, if Mr. Ramesh buys 5 such cakes, how many kilogram of cake did he buy? It's so simple question that weight of one cake is given. We need to find the weight of 5 cakes. If something for 1 is given, need to find for more. Then which operation do we use? Multiplication. So 3/4 multiply 5. Nothing under 5, so we will write 1. Cancellation is not possible in this case, so we will directly multiply 3 5s are 15 by 4 1s are 4. Improper fraction is here, convert into mixed. It's 4 3s are 12, 3 will left, 3/4 kilogram. This is the weight of 5 cakes in this question. Move to the next question, C part. The cost of 1 kilogram apples is rupees 25 1/2. The cost of 1 kilogram apples is rupees 25 1/2. I simplified mixed number, it's 51/2. What is the cost of 1 1/2 kilogram apples? And 1 1/2 which is required in the question, this is also 3/2 kilogram apples. In the same way, the thing for 1 is given, need to find for more. Then what will we do? 51/2 will be multiplied by 3/2. Cancellation is not possible. So 51 3s are 153 by 2 2s are 4. If you can't convert into mixed by oral calculation, you can check it by division. But divides by 4. 4 3s are 12, 33, 4 8s are 32, 1 will left. So the answer will be 38 1/4. And which thing was this? This was the cost of apples. So we will write rupees in front of this. Now let's start D part of the question. Mr. Gupta puts 3 1/4 liters of petrol in his car. 3 1/4 liters of petrol is the total quantity of petrol. If he uses 1/3 of it, how many liters of petrol did he use? So total petrol is given. Used petrol we need to find, which is given 1/3 of it. It means the total petrol 1/3 of 13/4 liters. Now as we did in first part, of means multiply, then multiplication of two fractions we know, and finally convert into mixed number, and you will solve this question on your own. Okay, let's move to E part. Neha spends 3/5 hours a day in morning exercises. A girl named Neha, she spends this time a day in morning exercises. How many hours does she spend in morning exercises in 1 week? We all know that 1 week has 7 days. So, Neha spends in morning exercises in 1 day is 3/5 hours as given in the question. 3/5 hours. So, Neha spends in morning exercises in 7 days. What to do? If for 1 day is given, we need to find for 7 days. Then multiply the duration of 1 day with 7/1. 7 3s are 21 by 5 1s are 5. Convert into mixed number. It's 4 1/5 hours a week. Okay, this is our E part of the question. Let's move to its F part, the last part of the worksheet. The thickness of mathematics book of class 5 is 1/4 centimeters. Simply, the thickness of a book is given. What will be the thickness of a pile of 16 such books? Pile means a bundle of books in which 16 books are there. So, if the thickness of one book is given, we need to find the thickness of 16 books. Simply write 1/4, then multiply by 16. The final answer you will get, and you will do this question on your own. Okay. All these about the word problems in worksheet 9 of our chapter. These are the word problems. Now you will do these word problems in your notebook. Now let's move to the next topic, which is the reciprocal of a fraction. What is a reciprocal? Reciprocal means when numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. In order to find the reciprocal of a fractional number, we interchange the numerator and the denominator. And just remember one thing, that reciprocal of 0 does not exist, which is our worksheet 10 of the chapter. 2/3. What will be the reciprocal? Now tell me. The numerator becomes the denominator. Denominator becomes the numerator. It's 3/2. Very simple. Here what will be the reciprocal? 1/18. It's 18/1. If there is 1 under something, we can leave that 1. So the reciprocal will be 18. E part. Question number 1 we are discussing of worksheet 10. 1. Reciprocal of 1 is always equals to 1. 8. Denominator is nothing here, so we will write 8/1 firstly. Then find its reciprocal. It will be 1/8. 5 2/3. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17/3. It's the mixed number to improper. Then its reciprocal will be, tell me, 17/3 is having reciprocal 3/17. Yes. I part. 3 5/8. It's 29/8. And what will be the reciprocal of the question? This is 8/29. Okay, these are some parts of question number 1 of worksheet 10, in which we had to find reciprocal of the given fraction. The remaining parts of this question will you do on your own. And the remaining questions, question number 2 and 3 of this worksheet, we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.